हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ऑल अबाउट जीके एंड जीएस। आज का वीडियो है अबाउट करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 22nd एंड 23rd जून। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस वीडियो। ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ योगा, प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी लॉन्च्ड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऐप? योर ऑप्शंस आर नमा योगा, एन योगा, जी योगा और एम योगा. Right answer is M Yoga. Who has been elected as Iran's new president? Options are Sayyid Ibrahim Raisi, Edgar Lungu, Benjamin Netanyahu, Hassan Rouhani. Right answer is Sayyid Ibrahim Raisi. The government of which state of India has announced the formation of Economic Advisory Council to the Chief Minister? Options are Government of Tamil Nadu, Punjab government, Kerala government or Gujarat government. Right answer is Government of Tamil Nadu. Which city topped the list of ease of living index? Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad. Right answer is Bengaluru. Central Board of Direct Taxes (CBDT) had recently extended the deadline to link permanent account number PAN with Aadhaar number to which date? 1st July, 30th June, 15th July or 30th July? Right answer is 30th June 2021. Free COVID vaccination policy of the central government for all adults has started from which date? 24th June, 21st June, 25th June or 30th June? Right answer is 21st June. According to the World Investment Report, India received how much FDI in 2020? 50 billion, 64 billion, 35 billion or 46 billion? Right answer is 64 billion. Which government has launched course in yoga science? Delhi, Mumbai, Haryana or Uttar Pradesh? Right answer is Delhi. Which bank has become top performer among public sector banks in terms of MSME and retail loan growth in 2020 and 21? Punjab National Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Bank of Baroda or Canara Bank? Right answer is Bank of Maharashtra. What was the theme of International Yoga Day, which is observed on 21st June every year? Yoga for wellness, yoga for health, meditate every day or yoga for all? Right answer is yoga for wellness. Which state government has launched Mukhyamantri Udyami Yojana scheme for all women and youth? Haryana, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh or Odisha? Right answer is Bihar. Which ministry recently released 3 draft strategies to boost the tourism sector after the COVID-19 pandemic? Ministry of Tourism, Ministry of Sports, Ministry of Science or Ministry of Education? Right answer is Ministry of Tourism. In how many languages did Centre's Transgender ID portal is now available? 11, 10, 20 or 15? Right answer is 10. According to which IIT, aloe vera may be useful in making memory chip? IIT Madras, Indore, Delhi or Hyderabad? Right answer is IIT Indore. Friends, If you are preparing for any upcoming exam, whether it is SSC, Railway or SSC CHSL और CGL, तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस आई बटन पे है, इस वीडियो के बाद आप उसे देख सकते हैं. So next is, how old was Mavya Sudan, who has recently become the first woman fighter pilot in Air Force of Jammu and Kashmir? 37 years, 23 years, 33 years or 27 years? Right answer is 23 years. Which country will host 2-day summit on green hydrogen initiatives? Sri Lanka, India, China or Pakistan? Right answer is India. Raghuram Rajan has been appointed in which state's economic council, who was the former governor of RBI? Right answer is Tamil Nadu. What is the rank of India in foreign direct investment, FDI? Very important question. In 2020 as per the UN report. First, second, fourth or fifth? Right answer is fifth. जान है तो जहान है campaign will be launched by which ministry to create awareness as corona vaccination? Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Minority Affairs, Ministry of Health, Ministry of Sports? Right answer is Ministry of Minority Affairs. Which union territories all railway station has been connected to railway Wi-Fi network? Ladakh, Delhi, Pondicherry or Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is Jammu and Kashmir. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे न्यू हैं तो इसे प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए, क्योंकि मैं हर रोज़ स्टैटिक जीके के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक पे वीडियो लाती हूँ और प्रीवियस ईयर और करंट अफेयर्स की भी वीडियो लाती हूँ. तो अपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए ताकि आपको सारी वीडियोस मिले. नेक्स्ट इज, who has been appointed as Counselor of India's Permanent Mission in World Trade Organization? Options are Lakshman D. Ahuja, Vijay Kirmani, Ashish Chandorkar, Sharman Kumar. Right answer is Ashish Chandorkar. Indian Navy has participated in UNOV for 2021 exercise in which Gulf? Gulf of Aden, Gulf of Mannar, Gulf of Hammoj, Gulf of Oman? Right answer is Gulf of Aden. Who has won the 2021 French Grand Prix? इससे क्वेश्चन हर साल आती हैं ज़रूर, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. लुइस हैमिल्टन, सर्गियो पेरेज, मैक्स वर्स्टैपेन और वोल्टेरी बोटास? Right answer is Max Verstappen. Which country's first PM, Stefan Löfven, to be lost no confidence voting? Chile, Sweden, Algeria, Serbia? Right answer is Sweden. Recently, government to set up how many Divyangata Khel Kendra in different part of country? 5, 3, 7 or 10? Right answer is 5. Which Indian American chemist has been awarded with European Investor Award 2021? Divya Agarwal, Sumita Mitra, Ankita Barnwal और शिल्पा शुक्ला? राइट आंसर इज सुमिता मित्रा. थैंक यू गाइस. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा तो इसे प्लीज़ लाइक करिए, और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे जल्दी सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन पे प्रेस करिए ताकि आपको मेरे आने वाले किसी भी वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिले, क्योंकि मैं हर रोज़ स्टैटिक जीके, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस और करंट अफेयर्स पे वीडियो लाती हूँ. स्टे ट्यून्ड विथ माय चैनल. थैंक्स अ लॉट.